Video number 12, narrated by Evi Sayono, Contemporary Linguistics, an Introduction, written by William O'Grady, Michael Dobrovolsky, and Francis Katamba, published by Longman, Pearson Education, 3rd edition, printed in 1996. Chapter 7, Semantics, The Analysis of Meaning, Part 3, Syntax and Sentence Interpretation, Part 3.2, Deep Structure and Thematic Roles, Passive, Advanced, pages 289 up until 291. Passives, Advanced. Now, let us consider the passive structures first discussed in Section 6 of Chapter 5. Sentence number 26. The thief was arrested, in brackets, by the police. The thief is the theme of this sentence. By the police is the agent of this sentence. The theme was arrested gives information on what the agent does. Agent is a person or entity who does the activity. From the point of view of thematic role assignment, this sentence is strange in two respects. First, the noun phrase or NP that occurs in subject position in this sentence, in brackets, the thief, bears the theme role since it refers to the person who is placed in custody. Yet, as we saw earlier, the theme role should be assigned to the complement, functioning as the direct object of the verb, not to its subject. Second, instead of being assigned to the subject position, the agent role, in brackets, corresponding to the person doing the arresting, is assigned to an NP or noun phrase that occurs in an optional PP or prepositional phrase headed by the P or preposition by. How are we to account for these facts? The first of these facts follows straightforwardly from the type of deep structure assigned to passive sentences. In brackets, see figure 7.9. In brackets, for the time being, we ignore the PP or prepositional phrase by the police. As indicated in note number 2 of chapter 5, auxiliary be is treated as a V or verb that takes a VP or verb phrase complement. Figure 7.9. Deep structure for the thief was arrested. The line through the AG symbol beneath the verb indicates that the agent role is suppressed. Now, let's take a look at the tree diagram. At the very top, you will see letter S stands for sentence. The sentence consists of noun phrase, inflection, and a verb phrase. And P stands for the noun phrase, inflection indicating past form. Now, let's take a look at the red circle, VP or verb phrase. The verb phrase consists of verb, the word was, be in the past tense. Verb phrase, the blue circle. The verb phrase consists of verb and a noun phrase. The verb is arrested. It is the theme of the sentence. The word arrested explains the noun phrase, the thief. The blue circle verb phrase also consists of a noun phrase, the thief. Figure 7.11. Surface structure resulting from NP or noun phrase movement, in brackets. In this figure, E stands for trace, which was introduced in section 3.4 of chapter 5. In order to form the correct surface structure for passive sentences, we need a transformation that will move the NP or noun phrase bearing the theme role from the direct object position to the subject position when the later is empty. Sentence number 27, NP or noun phrase movement. Move noun phrase or NP into the subject position. This transformation applies to the deep structure in figure 7.10 to give the surface structure depicted in figure 7.11. At the very top of the tree diagram, there's the letter S, sentence. The sentence consists of noun phrase, inflectional, and a verb phrase. The first noun phrase of this sentence is the thief. The inflection of this sentence indicating past tense. On the right part of the inflection, we have the verb phrase. The verb phrase consists of a verb and a verb phrase. The verb is was. Now let's take a look at the verb phrase. The pink circle verb phrase consists of a verb, a noun phrase, and a prepositional phrase or PP. The verb, the blue circle verb is the word arrested. The pink circle verb phrase also consists of a noun phrase. The noun phrase is indicated by letter small e. E means the trace. The pink circle verb phrase also consists of prepositional phrase. The blue circle prepositional phrase consists of the preposition by and the noun phrase the police. In sum, then, the transformational analysis of passives makes use of both deep structure and surface structure. In order to account for thematic role assignment, the noun phrase or NP that receives the theme role occurs as complement of the verb in deep structure, while the noun phrase or NP that receives the agent role, if present, occurs as complement of the spatial preposition by. A transformation then moves the noun phrase or NP bearing the theme role from its deep structure position to the subject position in surface structure, giving the correct final form of the sentence. Next, on video 13. So far, we have read together about syntax and sentence interpretation in part 3. We have also discussed part 3.1 about structural ambiguity, part 3.2 thematic roles. Next, on video 13, we will be reading part 3.3, the interpretation of pronouns, advanced. That's it for now. Thank you so much for listening to my videos. I'm Evie Sayono. See you next time. Bye!